In about 5 billion years, the sun will become a red giant, expanding so much that it could completely swallow Earth, and those solar system models we saw in school, completely misleading. If Earth were the size of a marble, Neptune would be 4 kilometers away, and that's how empty space really is. Even more insane, the solar system has a massive tail called the heliotail, just like a comet stretching billions of kilometers behind us. And that trending search, our solar system has fallen, it's not just a phrase. Scientists believe we've entered a new region of space called the local interstellar cloud, which could impact everything from radiation, exposure to climate change on Earth. We're flying through space storms, invisible particles, and unknown forces, and this is just one corner of the galaxy. The universe is more alive than we ever imagined.